Koala's just supposed to be asleep right now. Fucking koala. Koala! Abraham?
Yeah. Is that bright?
You ready or what? I found the hole, fool. I'd fucking like smash that shit. If it were me, I'd put that shit right there, light it. Like a little baby. No, fool. You can get more out of it, you know? You just fucking fuck the holes. Fuck the holes. You just fucking like do that shit.
That's what I was trying to do.
You know, but
See, that's why the hole on top, I put the hole, but I messed up on it, so I had to go lower, but I went too low.
dude, I could have found you a fucking tomato, potato. Same thing. Smoke out of it. It would have been good.
Out of a lemon.
Who?
A lemon.
Let's see you do that shit squirt in your eye. 'Cause I could have let that shit squirt in my eye.
You don't have to. You can just use it like a
What?
small knife and just.
A small knife. Let's use a small knife, fool. What the fuck is that shit gonna do? You want like it has to be clear. Small knife's gonna make
I'm
it
sure we can
dig.
make it work.
Huh?
I'm sure we can make it work.
We don't have any more weed.
That's fine.
I know Abraham wants some weed. Right, Abraham?
I got more.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't.
What?
You say you didn't have any more.
I do.
Oh,
But I think we're all good.
are we? Well,
Where are you going?
That made my stomach hurt.
What are you looking for? Oh.
you're not Crystal Franco. Oh, I'm on cornet. Give me. Fuck you, bitch. Give me. I want cornets. Koala, give me cornets. A monkey will go all ape on you, shit, fool. You're so loud, fool. Koala. Koala, give me cornets. No. You're eating. I'm so glad you made fucking laughter to fucking Abraham Franco's face. I'm gonna fuck. Spray those shit. Spray like rain. Oh, rain? Like rain? Uh-huh. Spray. You're wasting. Oh. 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 Oh, stop down, boy.
You're like a little squirrel.
Actually, squirrels save their nuts.
Franco, can you tell Rachel getting crying?
Yes.
Did you say the monkey will go?
Go ape shit.
Wow, Crystal, really? Give me some.
I'm putting it down.
Those are my favorite.
Shellfish?
On barbecue?
Abraham.
The little baby sitting.
My name's not supposed to be mentioned in this.
It's Isaac.
Abraham Lincoln is what I meant.
Okay.
Did
What
it get
is
to you?
this?
Did the hit get to you? The hit got to you?
No.
Whatever. Look at your people.
Well, look at you. How can I take you?
No, that's gonna
No.
hurt.
It's not.
Here, use
No,
it.
trust it. Charge me. Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh,
That's
bro.
gonna leave a mark.
No.
Yeah. No. Eating nuts?
that, bro?
Playing a game. I'm trying to figure out what it is.
No, it's charged. I just don't know where I left it. Doesn't she look like koala? Even when she's eating, you look like a koala, boy. Look at you. Look at you. You look nuts, boy. You're such a fucking koala, boy. Can you scratch your face? Come on, boy. One.
No, fool.
Can you sit there like this, Hurry? This one. This one.
What does this look like?
That's a monkey bull.
Oh,
A torch.
I can't see that far.
Olympics. A blunt.
It's a torch.
I want more nuts. Well, I'll buy you a bag tomorrow.